Hi. I'm Steven. I'm pretty much the weirdest one on the channel, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? I don't do challenges though. I'm gonna get down just because the camera's so low. I'm on my knees. I feel like a midget. Oh God. I feel like a midget. I feel like a midget right now. Haley's over here. What are you doing?
I'm trying to think of
She was looking at a DS game. Get on.
I'm trying to think of a challenge.
She just not did the Salt and Ice challenge. Salt and Ice challenge. If you haven't seen it, shh. Shut up. Shut up. And well, I'm just gonna introduce myself here. Haley,
You gotta talk loud.
go ahead and do your vlog if you want to.
Hello. Random vlog or whatever it is. Go.
Attack!
Oh boy. Today I'll just do a random vlog.
Attack! No, don't throw it. Don't throw it.
Oh, got him right around the butt. I got him around the butt.
Oh really? Just let me introduce my little friend.
You can't see him. He loves bones.
I don't know where the crap I got that from.
And by the way, it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to go woo.
Games.
Random, like I said, this is a random video channel, so.
It is called Random Videos.
Really?
This is what Random Videos makes, Haley, I had to say something. I know that this isn't from the comments or anything, but I have a complaint. These videos that we have been making are too short. Protest, everybody. Make picket signs and walk in front of our house. Tell Haley, 2 short videos. Make them longer. 2 short videos. Make them longer.
Okay, we'll make them longer. The next one is going to be him riding his bike.
No, it's not. No.
He don't know how to ride a bike. So this is going to be fun. And that's Jayla and that's Sierra. They will not be in my videos. This is the first time. This is the first time they'll be in my video. So yeah. So let's go to this.